What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 53 cents. We're down 4% on the day. Seeing market cap 4.99 billion. 24-hour volume 231 million. So let's hop to the chart. So we are pulling back here. It can still be leading diagonal as this is only validated if the wave 4 breaks below the 2. And an ABC correction, each wave of the leading diagonal is an ABC. So you have your wave 1, ABC into a 2, ABC into a 3, ABC into potentially a 4, bounce and push up in the wave 5. If we were to come down and break that wave 2 low, that would invalidate it. But looking on the daily time frame, we have inverse head and shoulders. So right here you have a left shoulder, you have a head. And right now potentially putting in a right shoulder. So if we were to come up and break that neckline, and that could be a nice trade opportunity. That would take you all the way up to about 66 cents. If that does happen, I may look to enter. A signal will be given in the Discord. It would also break you out of this descending brawny wedge. Now, if we do come down and end up breaking that low, it is what it is. Your next major level support's all the way down at about 44 cents for the price of Matic. But as you can see, this is quite a strong support area. And potentially we may put in that inverse head and shoulders. So looking at the price of Ethereum, we were looking for leading diagonal. This wave 4 is getting rather deep. Same thing with Matic. It's not invalidated until it breaks the wave 2 low. If that does happen, then this entire move was corrective and we create a lower low and potentially break that wick. But if we do end up seeing a bounce before then, before breaking that low, then we can still put in a leading diagonal, but it's getting rather ugly because basically what you would be looking at, that's your wave 1, that's your wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Yeah, it would be okay. Wave 5 in a leading diagonal, but that's only if we bounce before breaking 1566. If that level breaks, then all this move was corrective, and we have to look at our next. And we have to focus on our next levels of support. On the daily time frame, we still are just testing this ascending support line of this ascending triangle. So it would be crucial for the bulls to get a bounce, get back above those daily EMAs if we are going to make a push up to the resistance of the triangle. If we do end up starting to break down, you know, we break these lows, we see a retest, we get rejected, then that could really open the door for lower prices. We'll have to see how everything plays out. So we are currently in trades for Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana. I recently gave an entry, trade setup for XRP. My signals are $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN. For my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% excuse me. Get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20 completely for free. $1,000, then you get $200 completely for free. My subscribers only. All links down below in the comments. And my signals are $10 a month. Daily crypto analysis. My exact trade setups, as I mentioned, we're in 3 trades, as well as a setup for XRP. Crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, and Forex signals. Should be some good Forex trades this week. So I've already dropped the trade setups, all for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Sign up down below. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.